PayPal generates revenue through several channels, leveraging its position as a leading online payment platform. Here's how PayPal makes money. Transaction fees. PayPal charges transaction fees to merchants for processing payments. The fees typically consist of a percentage of the transaction amount plus a fixed fee per transaction. These fees vary depending on factors such as transaction volume and currency. Cross-border fees. PayPal charges additional fees for international transactions, including currency conversion fees and cross-border transaction fees. These fees can vary based on the countries involved and the currency exchange rates. Merchant services. PayPal offers additional services to merchants, such as payment processing solutions, invoicing tools, and subscription management services. These services often come with subscription fees or transaction-based pricing. Interest income. PayPal earns interest on funds held in users' PayPal accounts. While most users keep their PayPal balances low, PayPal can invest these funds to generate additional income. Interest on credit products. PayPal offers credit products such as PayPal Credit and PayPal Working Capital, which generate interest income from borrowers.